Hi friends, this is the baby clip. So it's called B clip, baby to love. This is for the 6-month plus kids, but I think it can be used for any kid. Here you can see that the packaging itself is nice, all the instructions are there. Let me open the package. So in this package there is one clip and one instruction, I think. Let me check. Also it's like the warning thing and attention that you need to read, safety thing. So this baby clip is really of nice quality. You can see that this is all magnetic, so these two surfaces can actually attach with each other, so it is easy to carry and portable. The design is really cool, and then the color itself is nice. You can see the quality which goes around the neck of the baby, so it's really soft and smooth. So here there are two clips that you can see that you can attach any towel or the cloth. So in these two clips, and then you can round it around the baby neck. So just to show that I'm attaching a towel here, it's a little long one, I'm just showing it for a demo purpose. So it can goes around the neck of the baby, and then it will hold up all the mess. So the good thing is you can attach any towel, any cloth, anything, so it's not just specific, and one clip can work for everyone. It's very nice.